morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you the steps in proving using mathematical inductions. We have 3 steps. The first step is proving the sequence is true for n equals 1. The second step, let's evaluate the sequence for n equals k. The third step, and probably the last, proving the sequence is true for n is equal k plus 1. We're going to substitute the value of n in this equation, wherein 1 equals 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1 over 2. In this step, we're going to simplify the values inside the parentheses. We come up with this 1 equal 2 over 2 because we simplified this equation. And that's it. We have 1 equals 1. And we have proved that this base case is true. Our goal was to evaluate the sequence for n equals k. In this equation, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus all the way up to n equals n multiplied by n plus 1. So, we're going to substitute the value of n with k, as you can see in here, this equation. Wherein we're going to prove that 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way up to k equals k multiplied by k plus 1 over 2 is true for n equals k plus 1. First step that we're going to take, since 1 plus 2 plus 3 are the same with this equation, we can rewrite it in the left side. Then, this k, we can substitute the value of n in the form of k. All of the k will be substituted by k plus 1. Next step, we're going to simplify this fraction. Since it was addition of fraction, we can apply the cross multiplication step. And we will come up with this equation. K multiplied by k plus 1 plus 2 multiplied by k plus 1 over 2. In this equation, we're going to apply the distributive property wherein k will be distributed inside the variables inside the parentheses. Then we come up with this answer. Then, in the right side, we're going to apply FOIL method. First, we have k squared. Then, the next step, 2k. And we have 2k here. Then, k. And finally, the last. We have k squared plus 2k plus k plus 2 over 2. We're going to simplify the numerators. Then, we come up with this answer. So, you can see, they are the same. So, they are true.
Shopee 11/11 Big Christmas Sale. Enjoy free shipping with zero minimum spend nationwide. Basta Christmas shopping, Shopee!